Women form a critical mass of the workforce in this technologically enabled world. With a view to equipping the women students with the knowledge required to function as professionals in the IT and ITES industry, the Kerala State IT Mission has launched Women Resource Centres in 2 colleges of Kerala, H.H. Maharajas College for Women Thiruvananthapuram and Krishna Menon Memorial Government Women's College Kannur. The resource centres function to provide all necessary assistance and support to the students to enhance or upgrade their skill levels to suit the requirement in respect of their ability to use ICT tools and services, and specifically prepare them for employment in the ICT and BPO industry. The course covers training on various ITES skills such as communication skills, behavioral skills, personality development, and computer operational skills.
We are indeed privileged that the Human Resources have chosen this college for starting soft skill developments. Now, many of our students have been benefited considerably by this project. Last year, we had a placement here, and about 30 of our students were able to get placed in various MNCs. It is really due to the training that was given to them, that is a soft skill training that was given to them by the IT mission. Now many have benefited by all the 3 skills. They have been able to develop their communication through the communication skills. Their knowledge of IT has increased due to the IT development skill, and the behavioral skill also has helped them a lot to increase their performance in interviews.
I have been teaching physics for the past 14 years. However, this experience I gained by taking classes for this IT mission. It was quite overwhelming. Actually, the students come from very poor backgrounds. At the same time, they have an intention to come up in their whole life. They want some kind of a helping hand. So what we find is that this particular way of taking classes with which is more interactive, that gives them a lot of confidence, and it gives them an impression that if they try, then there can be no limit.
The IT Mission program is implemented in the college as a part of a women's skill enhancement program. The problem with the students of this college is that most of the students are hailing from a very rural background, and they don't get sufficient opportunities for undergoing the various training programs for want of facilities, and they don't have sufficient finances also. The most encouraging part of this program is that all these training program is being provided to students free of cost.
Training for the first batch has been successfully completed in both colleges, and over 30 students from the Government College of Women Thiruvananthapuram have found placement in the BPO wing of the Infosys.
This IT mission program has imposed a great impact in my personal character. I'd like to say that I was in the beginning a fearful kind of a person. I was pretty fearful to face the audience, but right now, after attending the classes introduced by the IT mission, I feel that my confidence level it is raised, and I really feel confident to face a perfect set of strangers or a perfect group of strangers, because I myself feel that I am now really able to face any kind of group discussions or interviews, or even to give a speech. And I'd like to thank IT Mission for this.
This course is really helpful for us, and I think it's a golden opportunity for us, especially for the degree students who want to get job right after their degree courses. The most important quality or most important gain that I want to highlight here is our confidence level. It has really improved a lot, and we are ready to face any situation, and when we are called up to any stage, we are really confident to go there and present a thing.